What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the jaw-dropping world of Colaz Smith, Jamaica's very own YouTube millionaire. From luxury mansions to exotic cars, expensive vacations, and smart investments, this man knows how to enjoy his wealth while securing his future. Ever wondered how Colaz spent his YouTube millions? Well, you're in the right place. We're breaking down his insane purchases, business moves, and even his acts of generosity. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic content, and let's jump right in. Colaz Smith, the Jamaican YouTube sensation, has built an impressive career through his engaging content, securing a massive following and significant financial success. His journey from an aspiring content creator to a millionaire has inspired many, but what's even more intriguing is how he spent his fortune. Lavish lifestyle and real estate investments. One of Colaz Smith's biggest expenditures was in real estate. As his YouTube earnings soared, he invested in a luxurious mansion in Jamaica, complete with modern amenities, a private pool, and breathtaking views of the Caribbean. Reports suggest that he also acquired properties in the United States, ensuring a steady flow of passive income through rentals. Colaz enjoys the finer things in life, evident in his taste for high-end interior design. His home features state-of-the-art entertainment systems, designer furniture, and a recording studio where he produces some of his content. Exotic cars and luxury rides. A car enthusiast at heart, Colaz Smith spent a considerable portion of his wealth on high-end vehicles. He owns a fleet of luxury and sports cars, including a customized Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, a Lamborghini Urus, and a Rolls-Royce Wraith. His love for speed also led him to acquire a top-tier motorcycle, which he occasionally shows off on his social media platforms. Supporting family and giving back. Despite his luxurious lifestyle, Colaz Smith remains grounded, using his wealth to support his family and community. He reportedly purchased a home for his parents and ensures they live comfortably. He also assists his siblings with education expenses and entrepreneurial ventures, emphasizing the importance of financial empowerment within his family. Colaz has given back to his community in various ways, including donating to local schools, funding youth programs, and supporting aspiring content creators. His philanthropic efforts extend beyond Jamaica, as he has contributed to international charities focused on education and poverty alleviation. Expanding his brand and business ventures. Beyond YouTube, Colaz Smith has strategically invested in various business ventures. He launched his own clothing line, selling branded merchandise that appeals to his fan base. Additionally, he ventured into the restaurant industry, opening a Caribbean-themed eatery that serves authentic Jamaican cuisine. Understanding the power of social media, he also invested in a digital marketing agency, helping brands and influencers maximize their online presence. His business acumen has allowed him to diversify his income streams, ensuring long-term financial security. Travel and luxury experiences. Colaz enjoys exploring different cultures and has traveled extensively across Europe, Asia, and the Americas. He frequently documents his trips, sharing luxurious vacation experiences with his followers. From five-star resorts to private yacht parties, he spares no expense when it comes to leisure and relaxation. Conclusion. Colaz Smith's YouTube millions have afforded him a life of luxury, but he has also made smart investments and given back to his community. While he enjoys his wealth through exotic cars, travel, and high-end properties, his focus on business expansion and philanthropy highlights his financial intelligence and generosity.